Okay, so to put on the different titles in your legend, you're going to start the same way. So just go ahead and right click, come up here and say select data. And then over here, you're going to say add. So you can do it really fast just by saying add, and then it pops up this box. You can come over here and click. So you're going to click on Hawaii and then put in the values that go with that just by clicking on its X. Oops, and click out of that. Try that again. All right, so Hawaii, then click in this box, click on its X, click in this box, click on its Y, say OK, and it will put it in there. And you can do the same thing for Idaho. And then also for Provo, like that. Oops. There we go. So then you should have them all in here, and then you could just say OK. Then when you right click on here and go to Format Chart Data, go over to Chart Options, you'll see them right here, where then you can pick on one, go to the marker, come down here, and change the colors. So that you have both the fill and the border the same color, and then you can just close, and then you'll see your dots different colors right there. So hopefully that helps.